I'm Sasha and I've just done the FDA course in graphical communications. We've had 2 years of brilliant experience working with live briefs. We've done jobs for Acoustica and Bike Shed, as well as Hell Project, which some of the posters have been used. And this is my final major project. I made a milkshakes and cupcakes cafe, which is in the style of the 50s. I really wanted to bring forward something that brought people together, which was what the 50s era really was. After the war, everybody came together. So I used the style to influence everything that I've made here. I chose the doilies to make it just a little bit more homemade, a little bit more touchy-feely. Edited all the pictures just so that they had not such a fine quality on them. I really enjoyed this brief as I feel it's pushed me to create imagery and type together rather than using them separately.
Brilliant. What was the best thing about the course?
Best thing about the course is probably the live briefs and the experience that you get developing yourself and your style.
Excellent. Would you recommend the course to people?
I would. It's a brilliant course, and if you're looking to go into graphics or any sort of design, it's a really good booster.
Great tracks. I've just finished the second year of the Graphic Communication FDA course at Exeter College. Here is my final major project. I based it on a local company called Vineyard, and my solution here was to use like a woodblock style type over some wood, so you still got the local handmade quality of the wine, which is something that local businesses really like to push forward. And this is the labels that I've done. So there's a similar style with the woodblock type, and there's the white type going across. So it gives you a quick explanation of what the wine is, what it tastes like, so that consumers can quickly identify what sort of thing is going to interest them most. Doing the course here has been really helpful for me to understand design problems and to find solutions for them really well. It's been a lot of fun. It's been a good journey. There's been a great bunch of people on the course. There's great support from the tutors and the rest of the staff here. So yeah, it's been a lot of fun. Learned loads, and looking forward to progressing on to Plymouth Uni for my third and final year, and then into the industry to work.
Thanks, Will. Good luck. And would you recommend the course?
Definitely would. Definitely. It's been a lot of fun and highly recommend it.
Hello, I'm Mike Dacey, and I'm currently towards the end of my second year at the FDA Graphic Communication course at Exeter College. Here's some of my work. This is the design that I did for Red Rock Brewery in my final major, which is a small brewery just out in Bishop Stainton, which I thought needed a bit of a redesign, so I looked at elements such as the website, poster design, and then of course labels for the bottles and gift set. I wanted to give it like a sort of natural feel to it, so I went for a screen printed effect, so then it would still have a bit of texture to it and making it stand out and quite just a bit punchier and a lot more visible and nice to look at really. And this is my Acoustica Festival one that I did, which was a proposal for the Acoustica Festival, which runs at the Exeter Phoenix. And yeah, I wanted to pick out the key elements of the festival, as it's a live music festival. So as you can see, I picked out the guitars and then put that background image in black and white just to really make it stand out. And then I went on to look at the brochure and other elements of it. Throughout the course here, I've had a really good time. It's been definitely a good stepping stone. At first, I wasn't ready for university at all, and this was quite close to me, and it was in exactly what I wanted to do. So yeah, like I've got so much out of the course. I mean, if you saw the stuff that I had at the start of the year, this is about 1,000,000 times better. But yeah, the teacher's great. Can't fault him at all. Really thorough with like trying to explain how different elements of it and working with layout and just all areas are covered really. Like, as you can see, my layouts and composition of text and images quite good, I'd say, and obviously I wouldn't have done it without my kid. Yeah, the course is really good and I highly recommend it. And next year I'm going on to turn it into a full degree because I've enjoyed it so much, and I wouldn't be where I am if it wasn't for doing this course. So, yeah, it's really good.
Brilliant.
Highly recommend it.
Thanks so much, Mike.